Welcome back to Vocab with Aileen, where words sparkle and learning is fun. Are you ready for a shiny, glowing word today?
Yay!
Let's light it up. So, the word of the day is resplendent. Resplendent. So, what does resplendent mean? Resplendent means very bright, shiny, and beautiful to look at. So dazzling, it makes you go, wow!
Yay!
Like the sun looks resplendent in the bright blue sky. Or the queen wore a resplendent crown covered in sparkling jewels. See, wasn't that word simply resplendent?
Amazing!
Keep using shiny new words and make your sentences sparkle. See you next time, only on Vocab with Aileen. Until then, stay bright.